how to change the custom folder icon on your MacBook. So it's very simple. All you have to do is to create a new folder and right click it, and here you will find get info. So simply click on it. It will open you the folder info. As you can see now, my icon is already changed and you can change it anytime. So open your Finder and make sure to go to downloads, and here make sure to find the downloaded image which you want. You can select any image from your computer or Mac. So for example, this one, grab it with your mouse and place it here in left upper corner area on this little icon. If I release my mouse, the folder icon will be changed. So it will take a few seconds until it's done. And now my folder icon was changed. If I double click this folder, it's the normal folder on my MacBook. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.